welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I kind of have this everyday kinky straight texture wig unit sent from Unice hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So as for the specs, they sent over their pre-everything kinky straight wig unit in 24 inches in a 13x4 lace frontal. This one is a little bit upgraded, you guys. This is called their melt fit scalp wig. So it does have a bit of the upgraded wig cap construction. So as you guys could see, it does have that extra fabric that sits right up under the lace. They are basically wanting to mimic a real scalp, you guys, and I would have to say that they did a really good job with that. I would have to actually give them a 10 out of 10 because it looks very good, you guys. It looks really good on camera and also in person. So with this type of wig cap construction, which is again called the melt fit scalp wig, you actually don't have to use the ball cap method. I don't know if people are still taking that step to do their wig applications, but with this wig cap construction, you definitely don't have to do that. And of course, this comes with the invisible HD lace, and I would definitely have to say it's HD lace. It's very thin. It doesn't matter what type of lace I get, thin lace, HD lace, Swiss lace, transparent lace, whatever it is, I always tint it, you guys. I am of a deeper skin tone, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to tint my lace. So yeah, now this wig did come with the adhesive tapes, and I would have to say, if you have on makeup, you need to make sure that you wipe around your hairline, because if not, those tapes are not going to stick at all. So, and you'll have to reapply them, which is a headache. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie, it's a headache. So yeah, just make sure that you don't have any makeup around your hairline, and when you are taking it off, make sure that you're using oils before you rip out your edges. Okay, so also for the fitting of this wig unit, as you guys could see, I did have to cut into it a little bit because I felt like it wasn't sitting exactly how I normally would want my, I guess, sideburns to sit. So I did cut into, I think, one side, and yeah, I felt like this wig actually was sitting a little too close to my hairline, especially like my sideburns of my natural hair. It was sitting a little too close, so I don't know what the sizing is with this wig unit. It could also be my foundation, but I use the same foundation, which is the low ball. So I don't know. I made it work, definitely, you guys, but I did have to cut into my wig a little bit, just a little snip. So yeah, this is what the hairline is looking like right now. Also, please excuse my nephews if they haven't already been in the picture. They were very curious to see what it is that I was doing. They know that I do YouTube, but they have never seen me in action, so don't mind them in this footage. Now I am going in with my hot comb, and I'm just taking it along that middle part that came with this wig unit. As you guys can see, that scalp looks amazing, and I did go in with my skin tone to make sure that, you know, it all blended with my, you know, lace, hairline, skin tone, and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to talk to you guys about. I did do a little updo with this wig at the end, you guys. I did run out of time when it came to editing, so I didn't really spend too much time on like the tutorial part. It was honestly just a claw clip, and I just curled the front pieces. That's pretty much all I did. So and you saw that at the very beginning of the YouTube video. So yeah, I would have to actually give this wig unit a 10 out of 10. Honestly, the scalp looks really good. Like, as I'm looking back at this looks really good. Let me know what you guys think of this scalp. Let me know, because I know I'm not tripping. I think it looks really good. So yeah, I would love to review this wig and maybe like a natural body wave, or maybe like a fuller density. Oh, I don't know if I spoke to you guys about the density of this wig unit. You know, these kinky straight textures can come overly dense, and I can't stand it. Okay, I feel like this is like that medium ground when it comes to the Kinky straight textures. It's not overly full and it's not thin either, because I've received thin Kinky straight wig units. It's a good density in my opinion. You're not working with too much hair. Also, the hair was soft to touch. You can definitely mimic your natural hair with this as well. Mimic like a blowout. Did I curl his hair? Oh, I did curl his hair. And it did take a curl with the flat iron. I did not use my wand curler today for this wig unit. So yep, that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this scalp, the lace, the hairline, everything, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.